Welcome back to Color Class. I'm Sarah.
I'm Lucinda.
And today we are going to be talking about your brown eyes.
Brown eyes. Beautiful brown eyes.
If you guys know, there is a very popular TikTok video we have about brown eyes, and there's a double meaning for a brown eye. So we know, we totally get it. But we are talking about the eyes on your face and the best eyeshadow shades for them, everything about them.
Let me just say, she's only telling you that because she cannot talk about this without cracking up. And I, on the other hand, was going through the whole video and saying the thing and saying the thing and saying the thing. And this one was loose, and I didn't know why. I don't know about that. So, brown eyes.
Yes.
Your beautiful, rich, gorgeous color brown eyes. Did you know that because you have high melanin in your brown eyes, you get lots of extra protection from UV light, which is excellent.
I was going to say, my husband has brown eyes versus me, who does not. And he is always talking, you know what, about how I can't, like, the sun is always blinding me. I get headaches instantly. He is always talking. So I totally get it. So brown eyes out there, you are very lucky.
Brown eyes are most common near the equator. It makes kind of sense because, you know, everything is all about evolution and, that's what makes sense.
Cool.
You have a shared ancestry. Like the last time we did we did blue eyes, but brown eyes trace back to a mutation prior, obviously, to that. All humans originally had brown eyes. So in a way, brown-eyed people are carrying the original human template.
Ooh, okay.
So that's you. But you don't just have plain brown eyes. It's impossible to have plain brown eyes.
There are so many different shades of brown.
Yes. So we're talking amber. Mm-hmm. We're talking hazel brown. We're talking golden brown, maple brown, chocolate brown, obsidian brown.
So we're talking warm and cool browns today.
This is all browns and all different facets of brown eyes.
But who we're not talking about is hazel. We're going to have a whole separate video for like the hazily greeny.
Right. But we are talking about hazel brown because there's a brown that has like this glorious starburst in the center with a little bit gold flecks. So we're talking hazel brown, but not hazel.
Yes.
We pick some shades that we really love. Whether you are warm or whether you're cool, there's certain shades that make your eyes pop, certain shades that will make your eyes look bigger, and some that just are natural and flatter your eyes. So one of the trios that we really like a lot for making your eyes pop is on the lid and the crease, a teal.
Yes. We know that combination looks so good.
So gorgeous. And of course, with a highlight that's kind of in the biscuit shade, this is, as Sarah says, chef's kiss. And then on the cooler side, though, if you're a cool brown-eyed person, the outer corner would go to an aubergine, like a deep aubergine.
Brown and purple. Beautiful combo.
Mocha on the lid or crease, and then the highlight is more of a pink, a pale ballerina pink. Also really pretty. That will make your eye pop.
And this one's leaning a little bit more cool versus the first one, which was a little bit more neutral.
Yes.
Leaning warmer.
Now, to make the eye look bigger, you have another option, which is super cool. It's a little bit like the one we just described, and that is brown black in the outer corner and orchid
Yes, like
on. Yes.
A little bit more vibrant than what we were talking about before.
Lighter. More, and I say orchid because orchid tends to be a little bit redder down in the mix of the pigments rather than the blue purple. So orchid, and then a creamy highlighter. Oh, gorgeous. A more natural way to make your eyes look bigger is in the outer corner to use an army green metallic. And I know that's not the first thing you think about for the outer corner of your eyes, but it is spectacular. On our Patreon channel, we have a couple of, several celebrity makeup artists who love to give us, I don't know, the inside scoop on things. And And one of them had told me that his special trick is this army green metallic. Oh, wow. Beautiful. And then on the litter crease, a mocha, but a lighter mocha than I was mentioning before, with a highlight. They're all kind of in the same range. The highlight's like a warm gray. Yeah. Warm gray taupey color.
Love this color. Really
beautiful. For those of you who just love a natural eye, day in, day out, or, you're not big on adding a bunch of color, though. If you're not big on adding a bunch of color around your eye, try it. I encourage it because... I was
going to say, those brown eyes can take some color.
You can, and without looking too made up, you just look perfection. I mean, it's perfection. But your naturally beautiful look we're recommending is that brown black on the outer corner, though this is more of a chocolate, and then the mocha shade on the litter crease, and a highlight color that's almost pink.
Yeah.
It's really pretty. And the mascaras that we recommend for the brown eyes.
You get a pretty wide range of mascara for brown eyes.
You can do anything. But one of my, obviously, black mascara we love on brown eyes. Love it. Because this is eye makeup, you don't have to be too knotted up about whether you're warm or whether you're cool or what your subseason is, because this is about enhancing that perfect little spot, that iris, that beautiful brown iris that you have. So you can play. There's some brown-eyed celebrities out there who have done marvelous things with their signature brown-eyed looks.
See, Zendaya is somebody who I would think of with brown eyes. Like Zendaya, Ariana, like those are my typical go-to like brown-eyed girlies.
Yeah. She's kind of almost a gold. It's really this unusual kind of golden color. And she is a big devotee of color around her eyes. Bright teal is like a fan favorite of hers. And she also does something that's pretty cool, is she brings color all the way up to the arch of her brow quite often, which looks amazing. Well, mostly because she has, her eyes are wider set, but not as tall between the area of the eye and her brow. It's kind of narrowed. So by adding this color and bringing that up a little bit higher, she kind of counterbalances that. Yeah. And it looks amazing on her. Absolutely amazing on her. So she's a color girl.
I was going to say, though, her brows are stunning in these photos.
They are on point.
She knows how to do some brown
Yes, she does.
Brown brows.
Now, here's another brown-eyed girl.
Oh, Anne Hathaway, yeah.
You think of her as brown, brown-eyed girl? Well, she has the almost obsidian eye that we mentioned.
Oh, okay.
That deep brown eye. But she works very well in the green family.
Yes.
And the soft plum. Viola Davis. I do love her some eyes. Hers are deep espresso brown. And so what she spends a lot of time with is using metallics and jewel tones to glow them up.
Yes.
To bring up
the sparkliness in them.
And bring them out on her face.
Right. The contrast, whites of her eyes matched with her deep espresso coloring.
She lines them with black almost all the time.
Yes.
Very frequently. And then can accent with color. And she will carry the color all the way up to her brow line.
Absolutely.
Like with an amethyst, she may start with an amethyst on the lid and bring it right up. Now, it's not one flat plane of color. It's not, full-on amethyst all the way up to full-on amethyst.
Right.
It's amethyst and then transitioning to a powdery, pinker amethyst.
Oh, yeah.
But on her, it's spectacular. So, you guys, you have a gazillion options, and I invite you to send us your favorite look for your beautiful brown eyes, because we would love to see it.
I was going to say, I'm going to put some of these on Patreon. I'll put the palettes and push them over to Patreon. So if you're interested, where we're at, like 1,300 members right now on Patreon who are obsessed with color analysis. So if you want to come on over, there's a link at the end of the video and in the description down below.
I think it's 1,800.
Oh, 1,800. Wow. I've been saying 1,300 for a while then. Sorry, guys.
We're growing.
Mm-hmm.
And we're growing, and we're having lots of fun. We're talking about all sorts of things.
So if you're interested in joining us on any of our socials, connecting with us, everything is down in the description below. So thank you for joining us. Lastly, I'm Sarah.
I'm Lucinda.
This has been another color class, and we'll see you in our next video.